What's going on, YouTube fam? The man, the myth, the ZX Predator, checking out something. Magora master cylinder installed on Mike's bike.
Yeah.
Steve here at Absolute Cycle just put that in.
I actually recommended it.
Very much.
Yo, you know what? If they got the clutch one, bro, that looks real. I'm like, I think I'm gonna get it. I think I'm gonna get it. I'm really feeling that.
It's a good upgrade.
Yeah, it was a three. So the Brembo master cylinder, $400 something. Ugh. It's like, but my thing is, what is it that people are charging?
That's
Uh-huh.
the only complaint I have to say.
Yeah.
It doesn't have the it has just a screw cap, which it doesn't end up.
Oh,
having.
it doesn't have that.
It doesn't have the little lock.
No. Oh,
But then-
okay. You know, but it's the bracket, like, because he didn't take the bracket over. If he took that same bracket, you would be able to put it on there, or you could just build
This
one.
is fine. This is fine for now. I just want to go and put a.
Mhm.
I'll probably just get some white out and.
Yeah, and it's adjustable. Like that is a very, very nice. So you getting it next season?
I'm probably not gonna upgrade since I already have Brembo.
Okay.
But I feel like if you don't have either one, you should definitely get Magura.
Right, Magura.
Magora feels.
And price wise, it's nice
You save
competitive.
$100 and it's
Yo.
comparable. And who knows how long it would end up taking for. Here's the thing: you can't just go and get Brembo wherever you want. They have to go and work on them
Order, yeah.
themselves. And I'm like, I'd rather end up having my. I'd rather have my mechanic go and
Yeah.
do that than.
So Steve, how did he discover this? Like he put
He
it.
was just looking around.
Okay,
That was it.
bro.
He was looking around and he said,
Bro,
"This looks really
I'm
good."
sold. I'm sold. I'm sold. If the stunt guys are using this,
Oh yeah.
and you don't have to.
No. That's it. That's
It's
that's
like
the braking force right there.
Yeah, so
It's not even an inch.
It's like a little click, right, bro? That it comes with the brake switch and everything. Steve, good stuff, man. Good stuff.
He literally spliced the wires.
Yeah.
Took the old ones.
Yeah, so you don't notice it.
Yeah, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. All right, folks. You know, Magora master cylinder,
So it's not noticeable. White is
HC1.
Yeah.
You can,
So-
you can see that.
Mike was getting some stuff
So it's
done.
lined up with that.
All right. Hey, just putting some info out. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. Mike,
Yeah.
have you test rode it yet, or you
I
did
did yesterday.
yesterday? Oh, you had it for. Did you have it when we were doing the thing, or no?
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
Got it. All right, folks.
No.